How you feeling about this mission, Curtis?
I feel great about it.
Yeah. I feel like this mission's ambitious. Got all the gear strapped down to the ski. I must have sucked up something into the impeller. We got no power.
Just a paddling down the river.
We don't need to know you like, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one was ever showing you what we're showing tonight. Let your young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets they're made up.
All right, guys, we just got to the marina where we're gonna launch. Get all the gear strapped down to the ski. Just getting everything organized, and we're gonna get into the wetsuits, get the skis in the water, and be on our way. How you feeling about this mission, Curtis?
I feel great about it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nice of you to finally show up.
I feel like this mission's ambitious, but that should make it a good adventure.
We're headed down the Fraser River, out towards the Pacific Ocean. Water levels are high, and we'll need to be careful of logs and sticks floating around. But it's definitely cool seeing this area from a different perspective than usual.
That's pretty cool.
Stay there.
So we got a problem. We're heading down the Fraser River. It's full of debris, and I must have sucked up something into the impeller because it started vibrating like crazy. We got no power, so I'm gonna try and reach in under and see if I can feel anything. Out into the ocean here.
Oh, we're close.
My fear is like going out into the ocean with no power.
Just a paddling down the river. Just a paddling down the river. So we got a beach. We put eyes on the wood. It's not good. I got Sean towing me in right now. He's got the arm muscles. Trying to save gas. We got this boat coming.
This has to be probably the biggest fail of a mission we've ever attempted. All right, guys, it's the next day. Get whatever that was out of the impeller, and then we're gonna get back out on the water. This little piece of wood is all it took. All right, guys, we're out on the ocean. We'll launch it from the ocean this time because we're not going in the river again.
What?
Talking to the camera.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging. What's in it?
Our destination is the end of the Indian Arm, an inlet of the Pacific Ocean. There, we're going to find a spot to camp, but not before we do some exploring on the way, of course.
Abandoned hydroelectric powerhouse. We're in front of another old power station here. This one is still operating.
In the distance, we spotted the waterfall and decided to get up close for a better look.
That's pretty epic. Don't want to get too close, just can't see any hazards under the water here, but
Get right in here, eh?
yeah. Looks pretty deep to me.
Finding cool stuff like this is exactly why we got jet skis to go adventuring on.
Watch out, there's some waves. How much do you think that boat costs?
Million.
$1 million? It's
Yeah.
pretty nice. We don't need that. We got the single seaters. Let's rip! All right, we just rolled up to Granite Falls. There's a lot of people here. A couple more jet skis just rolled in. That's cool. We'll take a look around. Place is crazy cool.
In 1887, the Granite Falls area was used as a quarry for stone to build for the city of Vancouver after it was nearly burned to the ground. It operated as such until the mid-1900s, when it was purchased by the province to become part of a provincial park.
We just hiked up the waterfall a little bit. Some really nice mist here. It's pretty good here.
That's pretty good,
I think we're gonna hike down, take one more quick dip in the pool. There's a dock here. Nice little area to camp, so we're gonna backpack our gear in, set up camp for the night.
It's been a while since I've set up a tent like this.
Home sweet home. So this is a super portable stove I found on Amazon. we're gonna use to cook up some KD. That was a good meal. See you guys in the morning.
I can't say I had an amazing sleep in that tiny tent and the thin sleep pad, but at least I know what I need to upgrade for the next trip. And we woke up to an absolutely beautiful morning.
Guys, this morning we're just loading up the gear. Time to head back. Ocean is like glass here in the inlet, so it's looking like it's gonna be a good ride if we get out of here pretty quick. Get your Story Till Now t-shirts, Dirty and Dangerous t-shirts, stickers, key tags, beer koozies. Appreciate your support, guys. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more adventures like this one.
Heading back out, this is probably some of the smoothest water I've ever seen on the ocean, and that means a fun ride at max throttle back to the launch.
Nobody gon' tame us, no fear, we ain't scared of danger. So give it your best try, can't nobody stop us this time. So I'ma let my chest poke out just a little. I'm headed to the top, can't stop in the middle. We are on the rise, so keep watching the skies.
We don't need a night like this, we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets that made up. We ain't heading out tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it up.
Light up the night sky.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out some of my other adventures if you enjoyed this one. I think you'll like those too, and I'll see you next time.
Toast to the dreamers.